Okay, so I'm here at the Greenfield Falls, and it's a beautiful, it's actually the final Sunday in February, however you pronounce that. It looks like it's written February. I don't know. Anyway, uh, absolutely beautiful day to walk down to the Greenfield or Lower Christy Brook Falls, whatever you call it. Either way, absolutely gorgeous day. It's already a couple degrees above zero. It's going to be warmer in the next couple days, sunny for the next couple days. So get your butt down here if you want a nice winter walk to kind of finish off the winter and get down here before it gets mucky and hard to walk, because there's a couple spots I know in the summer that are kind of watery and kind of a little bit harder to get through. But right now it's an easy and quick walk, and it's beautiful, all covered in ice and snow. So that said, that's really all I got for you guys today. I'm just going to enjoy a quick walk and show you some of the scenery all covered in ice, maybe get some drone shots. But like always, like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.